As always, please retry this question before watching the video. There's only one thing you need to know to be able to answer this question. If you don't know the answer, please add it to your cheat sheet, master it, and go back 5 before continuing in the video. How many items do you need in a list to justify commas? The answer is 3 or more. 3 or more. So if you have 3 or more, that is one of the 9 exceptions of when you need punctuation in the middle of a clause. Otherwise, it's just punctuation in the middle of a clause. So answer F, we can eliminate it because we have a list of 2 items with a comma between them, and therefore we should not use commas, and therefore that is punctuation in the middle of a clause. Same thing happens with answer G. We have punctuation in the middle of a clause. And answer H, it properly separates it with an and instead of a comma. So this is almost certainly going to be our right answer. And then answer J uses a period. So a period needs to have an independent clause before and an independent clause after. So let's see if it does. Answer J. She offers beguiling smiles. That is an independent clause. Seamlessly transitions between movements that are each interesting and unique. There is no subject-verb combo here. Therefore, there is no independent clause or clause at all, certainly not an independent clause. So there is not an independent clause after this word or after this period. Therefore, J is wrong because it's just punctuation in the middle of a clause, and then it messes up the capitalization and all things. Or you could just say, a period needs 2 independent clauses in front of and after. So lots of things wrong with answer J, leaving us with answer H, confirmed, and it is indeed our correct answer. If this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet, write your explanation and your answer, and then continue on to do the remaining clause 1 questions that you missed on this test. If this is the final clause 1 question that you missed on this test, please go ahead and add it to, or do 10 questions correct in a row on your clause 1 mastery before coming back and continuing on the next category that you missed the most of.